It was Monday night, 10:45 p.m. The criminal comes into the Grand Prairie McDonald's and is picked up on videotape. Look at him closely. He's a crook, and a cowardly one, too. 66-year-old Wayne Moore made a McDonald's stop on his way home from the Rangers game, and he just ordered his food.
And as I came to the counter, a man came in behind me and stood to my right.
Notice there are no words between the two. Not a thing is said.
I looked at the menu to the left, and so he attacked me from the right, and I never saw it coming.
It's vicious, and if watching this makes you angry, it should. This sucker punch specialist is still out there. Watch it again with the police account.
The suspect looked around to see if anybody else was in the restaurant, and then without a word being spoken, he just waylaid our 66-year-old victim by punching him with his fist on the right side of his face.
The attacker grabs the victim's wallet, then plays cockroach and scurries into the darkness. Wayne Moore needed stitches, has facial fractures, and a black eye.
All that's going to heal, but I guess my concern, as I'm sure all others, is that this may happen to somebody else, and that we don't want that to happen.
So police want your help to put this guy in jail.
He's the cheap shot artist.
We're anxious to find out who this man is.
And they are anxious. The attacker also stole the key to Moore's truck, which was then stolen, so he may also be or have been driving it. It's a 1994 red Ford Ranger pickup truck. If you think you know the criminal, the attacker, call Grand Prairie Police or Crime Stoppers at 972-988-TIPS.